A lot of people have been asking us what is our exhaust on the Polaris that we have, and it is a agency power exhaust. This company makes a lot of street racing exhaust, so we wanted to try out this exhaust, and it is the best Polaris exhaust that you can get. We have a blow off in here, a turbo blow off from Agency Power, and it is the best sounding blow off ever. It makes it go psh, and just it's louder, and it just sounds so much better than all the other brands. And that's pretty much it for the exhaust. It is the best sounding exhaust. It's the Agency Power exhaust, and I'm gonna start with the Polaris right now so you guys can hear it. So I'm gonna get right in and start her up. Guys, so I wanted to get some flybys for you guys on this exhaust. So we're going to do that and get some flybys.
One eternity later. That was freaking awesome, dude! That was the Agency Power exhaust. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Guys, comment below on your thoughts about this exhaust, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.